How to create a custom sticker on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create custom sticker on WhatsApp. Let's get right into it. First thing first, open up WhatsApp. And then from here, you want to go over to the chat where you want to create your sticker. So I'll just go over there and tap on this attach icon. Tap on the stickers icon first. And then from there, you can just tap on create. Here I've selected a random picture to create a sticker cutout of, and I've successfully done that. You can add it directly to your sticker pack by tapping down here, and you can easily create a new sticker pack for yourself. Tap on save, and you'll be good to go. So here you've got your sticker pack that you've just created. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.